as pigmentation concerns are so difficult to treat, it was hardly any surprise that Cosmelan 2 Cream is the winner of the 2022 Expert Choice Awards for us here at Skinmart. The Cosmelan 2 Cream is a depigmenting topical cream that has an intensive corrective action on skin's hyperpigmentation to inhibit and control the appearance of new and dark spots. And it was selected as the winner because the results that have been achieved so far are really quite extraordinary. So it has a dual corrective and controlling action, which means you get the short and the long-term results by keeping that hyperpigmentation under control. Now, before you get to use this, one of our skin therapists will take you through a complimentary consultation to ensure that you will get the very, very best results. Now, the first of our highly recommended products for pigmentation is the Cosmetics Simply Brilliant, which will uncover unbelievable results and a brighter skin as well. And you can actually tackle the existing and future photo damage, your post-inflammatory pigmentation and uneven skin with this formulation, which is full of lactic and salicylic acids to refine the texture and improve the penetration of brightening ingredients so that your skin is brighter and more radiant. Then we have our Meso Aesthetic Meso Protect Melan 130 Pigment Control, which is the next highly recommended award by our experts because it is very high factor in sun protection, but it's the formulation that has this depigmenting ingredient, and that's what helps to regulate the melanin synthesis on the skin. The SPF is highly recommended for anyone with pigmentation concerns or anyone who is using the Cosmelan method or the Cosmelan 2 Cream as well. So pigmentation, your concern, we have got fantastic options here at Skinmart.